So imagine this, you click on a video and the very first thing you hear is how to make money online with something called Nano Banana for free. And yes, I know the name sounds like a kid's cartoon character or maybe a new smoothie flavor, but trust me, this little tool is way more powerful than it sounds. And today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use it, not just for fun, but to actually build something you can sell and make money from. Now, here's the funny thing about online money making. Everybody always expects it to be complicated, like coding websites or building apps or running scary ads. But this method is literally as easy as dragging and dropping images onto a page. It's so simple that once you see it, you're probably going to laugh and think, wait a second, this can't really work. But the truth is, people are already making sales with this, and I'll show you how. So let's start with the basics. Nano Banana is a brand new image editing and generation tool inside Gemini. It just came out recently and right now it's free, which means you can literally sign up, test it, and create without paying a single dollar. And here's the part I love the most. They actually give you free credits or tokens to get started. So it's like they're paying you in advance to experiment before you even sell anything. The cool thing about Nano Banana is how fast it works. You give it a simple idea like, hey, make me a kid's storybook about a horse. And instantly it spits out page after page with images and text ready to go. And I'm not talking about ugly robotic stuff. I mean, real creative illustrations that actually look like something you'd find in a bookshop. And the fact that this happens in seconds feels like having a whole design team inside your laptop working overtime for free. Now let's have some fun. Imagine you tell Nano Banana, make me a 10-page coloring book about fish boom. In a few seconds, you've got outlines kids can color in, and that's a real product you can upload to Etsy, Amazon, or even your own website. And people buy these every single day. I checked myself, and some sellers have hundreds and even thousands of reviews. So if people are reviewing, that means they're actually buying. And if they're buying, that means there's money on the table. Here's the step-by-step idea without being too boring. You open Nano Banana, you create your pages, you download the images, then you jump into Canva, grab a kid's book template, drop your images, and clean up the extra text. And within minutes, you have a full product ready to sell. You can export it as a PDF or print ready file and upload it to Etsy. Now on Etsy, digital books and coloring pages are huge because once you upload it, once you don't ship anything, you don't pack boxes, people just download it and you get paid every single time it sells. And if you're wondering how to make your product stand out, that's where ChatGPT comes in because you can literally ask it to write the perfect SEO title and description for Etsy or Amazon, and it will spit out the exact keywords people are searching for. So instead of guessing what to write, you just copy paste and your product shows up where buyers are already looking. It's almost unfair how easy Etsy is when you combine these tools. Now let's pause for a second because I know what some people are thinking. They'll say, okay, but can you really make money with this? And the answer is yes, you can, because this is not about some magic trick. It's about creating products people already want. Parents are buying storybooks, teachers are buying coloring books, even gift shoppers are looking for unique digital downloads, and you are creating them faster, cheaper, and with zero design skills. That's the advantage you've got. And remember, this isn't limited to books. You can use Nano Banana to create product mock-ups, social media packs, posters, logos, or even merch designs. And all of those can be sold through print on demand or digital marketplaces. The opportunities are endless. The only limit is how creative you want to get. And honestly, the hardest part might be just deciding what niche to go for. Because once you try this, you'll want to create 10 different things at once. So if you're sitting there thinking you need a side hustle or you want to dip your toes into online income without risking money, this is probably the best starting point. You're not paying for software, you don't need advanced skills, and you can literally have your first product uploaded tonight. And if one product works, you just repeat the process again and again until you have a whole collection, an online empire powered by something as silly sounding as Nano Banana. And that's why I love this tool. It turns something playful into something profitable. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter, using AI to do the heavy lifting for you. So while other people are stressing about complicated business plans, you're out here creating kids' books in minutes and selling them around the world. So go try Nano Banana for yourself, see what you can make, play around, have some fun, and then list your creations online. And who knows, maybe a week from now, you'll have your first sale notification pop up on your phone. And trust me, that feeling never gets old. It's the best motivation to keep going. And with that, we've just covered one of the easiest and funniest ways to make money online right now. I'll see you in the next video. But for now, grab your free Nano Banana credits, test it out, and start building something today because the only way you lose is by not trying. Follow and press the bell button and see you next time.